So I'm going to do an unboxing of this PR package from Beyond Blessed Skin. And if you're looking for something affordable, effective, and FDA approved product, then keep on watching the video and I will definitely give 100% honest review about this product. Kennedy here and welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the first PR package that I received, and this is from Beyond Blessed Skin Dessert. And just a brief background guys about this product. So I was actually been using this product for a few months now because me and my family has been to different beach trips, different out of town during the summer season. So I really had like weird tan lines all over my body, and I had like a very weird and even skin tone during the whole summer season. So I noticed that my mom is getting actually lighter skin, so I asked her what she was using, and I first used their soap during that time before they actually sent me this PR package. So I was actually very happy with the result that I have. That's why I'm actually doing this review vlog about this product, because I wanted to give you 100% honest review about my experience and my comment and other stuff that you need to know regarding this product. So let's now open what's inside the box, but first that's their logo, Beyond Blessed Skin Dessert, and it's in baby color pink, and I love it because I love this color actually. So let's now open it. Ta-da! So nice. It's so very girly look kind of product, and I love it. And it was very personalized. They had my name on it. They have all their brand names in there and stuff. Okay, so let's start first with this soap. It's called 𝗚𝗏𝗡𝗡 soap, and this is actually the first soap or product from Beyond Blessed Skin that I actually tried before, and I actually love this one because first thing is it actually has SPF 50. So the soap itself already has SPF, so that's very good if you're actually like going out and stuff like that. So it will already protect you from the damage from the sun the moment that you took a shower already. And they have a different bar soap. This is called Berry Blessed Luxury Bar Soap, and this is actually even better because this soap actually has 100 SPF. So can you imagine guys, I've actually never tried any soap that already has an SPF in it, so this is actually very nice. So the difference with this one is that it actually has the same content. This one is actually more improved because, for example, with the 𝗚𝗏𝗡𝗡 bar soap, this is just a whitening, anti-aging, skin renewal kind of soap. But with this one, this is with the Berry Blessed. This is 10 times whitening, 10 times skin renewal, and the SPF is actually higher. So I will open it for you. They already had one open, but I wanted to open it in front of you guys. Okay. Alright, so let me just use a scissor. Oh my gosh, it actually really smells good. The reason why it was actually named Berry Blessed for most of their product is because it smells like strawberry. You will really like smell it. It's not very sweet, but you will really love the smell of it because it's tolerable. It's not exaggerated. It's very good. And then let's try this one. Okay, so this actually has a more vibrant smell compared to this one, but I'm actually using both. Depends, if I run out of this one, then I'm using this one already. So this is actually all very good. What I also love about this two soap is that whenever you use it, like the bubbles is actually just very nice, because I've tried some other soap that when you try it, it doesn't really create any bubbles, and I love that bubble effect because I feel like it cleanses my skin even more. So that's what I actually love about this bar soap that they have. So let's now move to their second product, which is the Berry Blessed Luxury Body Wash. So this is a liquid kind of soap. So this is actually also good. And what I love about this one, because it's contain a niacinamide, which is everyone's favorite with all of the ingredients with the skincare that they're also washing. And mind you guys, they're also all using natural products, so everything is actually going to be good for your skin. And what I also love about this one is it also has a 100 SPF, which is very nice. And this will last you for a while, I'm telling you guys, because I've been using it for a month now. And this is just what I actually just accumulated, because even just 1 or 2 pumps, like you will be able to use it on most part of your body already. So this is also very good. And the soap and the bubbles effect while using this one is also very nice. So when it comes to the packaging, they have there all the ingredients that they have, and this is 500 ml. So this is actually very good because this is my hand. So that's actually how big it is. So you will be able to use it for quite a while. So I also love about this one is how it was actually saving me the amount of usage. It's not like any other soap that when you use it, like you have to put a lot on your hand so that you can be able to use it in most part of your body. So they sent me to luxury bar soap. And then let's move to this second product, which is their Glutaberry Vanilla Milk Intense Whitening Salt Body Scrub. I am a fan of salt body scrub ever since, and I'm very happy that they also have this product in their package. And this is actually 350 grams, so this is also very big and very good size. And then you will also be able to see in their packaging the benefits on how you can properly use it, which is also very good to a product, because I love with Beyond Blessed Skin Desserts because they're very informative about the proper usage so that the product will be more effective on your end. So they also has their ingredients in there and stuff like that. And then I forgot with this one, with their packaging, this is very secure as well at the same time. So they have this lock in this one so that it will not accidentally be pumped. So I will let you know about the smell of it. Oh, it's very good. So this also smells like strawberry, but very, very good. I really love the smell of this product, guys. Honestly, if you will try it, you will really love just the smell of it. And then after I use this one, because this is the last thing that I'm using whenever I shower, the smell of it actually stays on your skin, so which is very, very nice. So going back to this salt body scrub, so yeah, it also has an expiration date, which is very important, and the back has nothing in it, but all of the information are actually in front. So it also has collagen, you know, this kind of stuff, which is also very good. Shea butter, sunflower oil, and other stuff. So it actually says here that it can also unclog pores. So the reason why I'm actually a fan of salt scrub is that it actually makes my skin smoother. So that's what I love about this one. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I already have one open in the bathroom, but I will just let you see from the package. So this is actually how it looks like. It is sort of like reddish pinkish kind of salt scrub, which is very good. And this also smells very good, like strawberry, guys. So they actually sent me 2 of this salt body scrub. So this is it. So I have actually 2 of them. So I will have some stock for my usage regarding this one. And lastly, this is their bleaching pink whip scrub. This is also this is actually a 270 grams, which is also good. I also tried this one already because I will show you. They have a different package before. This is actually how it looks like. This is what I've been using. So they actually changed the packaging of their whipped cream, but look how I've been using it already for quite some time now. And it actually I actually asked the owner of Beyond Blessed Skin, and this is actually has a more improved ingredient in it. So I just put this seal so that I can show you guys how secure their product actually is. So that's actually it. And then you will see there the proper instructions on how you can be able to use it as well on your skin, together with the active ingredients in it. And what else? And the benefits of it, of course. And then I will show you guys how it looks like. So that's the how it looks like inside. So I actually loved this new packaging because the first one is actually more heavy cream kind of feel on your skin, and this one is actually lighter when it comes to the consistency of it. And then I can feel the because it has a scrub effect, so you can feel some beads when you actually use it on your skin. That's why it was actually called a whip scrub at the same time, so which is actually very, very good. And then when you use this one, because they actually have a different combination, depends on what you actually prefer on your skin. So for example, whenever I use this whip scrub, I actually first use this soap, and then rinse my body, and then use this whipped cream. You actually have to soak this bar soap on your skin for around 5 minutes, and then rinse your body, and then this whip scrub, and then you have to soak it and stay it on your skin for around 15 to 30 minutes, depend on you. And then after you rinse your skin, after using the whip scrub, you have to use this luxury body wash, which is also very good. So it adds up all the smell in it, which is actually very, very nice. And then the other combination was this one, 5 minutes of this one as well on your skin, and then this salt body scrub, and then this body wash as well. So that's how you will actually use it. So that's actually all of their product. I actually hope that they will soon create a lotion as well, a body lotion, so that they have a complete product for your skin as well already. Okay, so those are basically the product that's inside the PR package that they sent me, and you will be able to buy all of these products on their store. I will put the link in the description box so you can have an easy access with it if you wanted to actually try this product. And like I mentioned earlier, I will give you an honest review about this one. So I really actually love this product, and for me it was actually very, very effective. And I like how they are not giving any false marketing, because I don't believe that there is actually such thing as instant whitening, or it will nothing like that will happen over time. I honestly believe that. So the consistency is actually the key for this product to be effective on your skin. So you just have to use it every day. This is actually safe for using every day. So what they instructed me is to use it 7 days straight, and then after the 7 days straight, then you can use it for 2 to 3 times a week already, together with the salt scrub. But with their soap and their body wash, you can actually use it every day. But you have to make sure, guys, after you use it, especially if you're going outside, or even if not, to use a lotion that actually has an SPF in it, or also use a sunscreen on your face and on your body. This is also safe to use on your face, like from head to toe. You can be able to use it. It's totally safe. And for me, this is actually very, very good product. So it was actually, I am actually recommending you guys to actually try this product, and then I will be very happy to know how's your experience with this one. And if you have used this product already, I would love to know about your experience and your comment about this product. So put it on the comment section below, so I will really appreciate that one. And then what I also noticed about this product after I use this one, especially this bar soap, after I rinse my body, you will notice that micro peeling effect. So you will see that your skin is sort of like peeling but not intense. It's tolerable. So you will barely see it, but you will somehow notice it if you didn't scrub your body. So you will see that after. So I will put on the screen, guys, the before and after of my skin before and after. I actually use it for quite some time already. So you will actually see it from there, how I got really dark from all the beach trips that we had and how my skin is actually lighter now. So I'm very, very happy with the result of it. And I know you're actually curious, guys. So this product is actually FDA approved, and this is safe for lactating moms, pregnant mommies, teens, and whatever kind of situation you are in. It's actually perfect for you to use this product. So if you wanted to know more about this product, because I won't be able to provide you all the information that you're actually curious about, you can actually message them on their Facebook page, which I will also put the link on the comment section below. So that's it for my unboxing of this PR package from Beyond Blessed Skin Desserts. I hope you like it, guys. And if you're new in our channel, just click the subscribe button, the notification bell, so that you will be notified on our next upcoming video. So I hope I was able to show you what you actually wanted to know about this product. So thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.